Welcome to the world of luxury motorhomes, where adventure meets comfort and style. In this video, we'll be showcasing some of the most impressive motorhomes on the market, from the rugged Unicat MD83H to the luxurious CMC Athena. Whether you're seeking an off-road beast or a palatial home on wheels, we've got you covered. So buckle up and get ready to explore the ultimate motorhomes for the discerning traveler. Introducing the Nightliner DD45. The ultimate luxury motorhome tailor-made for YouTube-worthy adventures. With a spacious interior spanning an impressive 538 square feet, it's like having a mini apartment on wheels. Accommodating up to 16 guests across 2 levels, this lavish motorhome offers all the comforts of home, including a fully equipped kitchen, a plush living room, and a sleek bathroom. Stay comfortable in any climate with the automated air conditioning system, brew a fresh cup of coffee on the go, and enjoy a restful night's sleep on adjustable beds. You can rent this gem from a renowned German company with a prestigious clientele that includes Suzuki, Aston Martin, and BMW. Choose from 12 unique configurations, from a rolling mini hotel to a mobile office. And if you're not keen on driving, worry not. The company can provide an experienced driver for your epic journey. Meet the Unicat MD83H Man, the ultimate expeditionary motorhome designed to conquer the most rugged terrains. It's based on a MAN TGS 66 truck with a powerful 480 horsepower engine, complete with a 12-speed gearbox, satellite navigation, potent xenon headlights, and a colossal 800-gallon fuel tank. The motorhome's rooftop can be equipped with solar panels, batteries, and a collapsible equipment mast. Inside, it's as comfortable as some apartments, featuring a full bathroom, a fully equipped kitchen with a stove, refrigerator, and more. A spacious dining area with a large screen, a cozy sofa, and a table, along with generous sleeping arrangements. The Unicat is your go-anywhere, do-anything choice for extreme overlanding, off-road adventures, and disaster relief missions. Unleash your inner adventurer and take on the toughest challenges with this formidable motorhome. Introducing the SLRV Iveco Daily 4x4, the ultimate compact off-road motorhome designed for exploring the wildest and most remote terrains. This rugged explorer is built on the trusted and robust Iveco Daily chassis, famous for its reliability. With a compact 12.63 feet body, it navigates tight roads like a pro. Inside this off-road beast, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen with a stove and sink, a comfortable seating area featuring a cozy sofa and a large screen, a convenient bathroom, and a spacious bed. Plus, you can deck it out with up to 7 kilowatts of solar power and a 300-gallon water storage system. The SLRV Iveco Daily 4x4 is the go-to choice for those seeking adventure in the most remote and challenging destinations. Perfect for overlanders, explorers, and thrill seekers alike. Meet the Starliner SL25, the embodiment of luxury motorhomes for travelers who crave style and comfort. It's also a prime choice for storage enthusiasts, featuring a roomy garage in the rear. Let's get into the details. Length, 30.5 feet. Weight, 15,000 pounds. Engine, your choice of Iveco or Mercedes. Transmission, automatic. Drivetrain, 4x4. Sleeping capacity accommodates 6. Garage dimensions, 8.2 feet long, 4.3 feet wide, and 3.9 feet high. Intriguing tidbits, the Starliner SL25 features a smart system that effortlessly controls the bed, awning, and lights. You can select from a variety of pre-configured setups or design your own custom experience. The Starliner is the preferred choice for those seeking luxurious and comfortable journeys, as well as those in need of ample storage space. Gidget. The Gidget is a simple and compact camper that is perfect for people who want to travel light and easy. It is also a great choice for people who want a camper that is easy to set up and take down. Technical specifications. Length, 13 feet. Weight, 1,200 pounds. Sleeping capacity, 2. Kitchen, 2-burner stove, refrigerator and sink. Shower, portable shower compartment. The Gidget has a transformer bed that folds out from the sofas. The kitchen is located at the back of the camper, which frees up space inside. The Gidget has a hatch in the headboard of the bed for stargazing. The Gidget is a versatile and easy-to-use camper that is perfect for people who want to travel light and easy. It is also a great choice for people who want a camper that is easy to set up and take down. Introducing the CMC Athena, where every journey becomes a luxurious adventure. Picture this: a spacious haven with opulent living spaces that effortlessly blend style and comfort. From the moment you step inside, you're enveloped in an atmosphere of elegance. This motorhome isn't just about numbers, it's about creating an experience. With its expandable width, the Athena offers ample room to move, making it perfect for those who crave space. The living area is a sanctuary, complete with a plush sofa, entertainment center, and a dining area that invites long conversations and cherished memories. Step into a bathroom that feels like a spa retreat, and then step outside onto the generous veranda where you can soak up the surroundings in comfort and style. And here's the game changer: a slide-out section that adds an extra dimension to your space, giving you room to breathe and relax. Now let's dive into the impressive Laramie stock combo, designed to meet the needs of both passengers and horses on your journey. With a spacious width of 8 feet and a height of 7.6 feet, it offers room to move. The length ranges from 25 to 35 feet, providing ample space for a comfortable trip. Inside, discover a well-equipped kitchen with a stove, refrigerator, and microwave for all your culinary needs. The living area is inviting, featuring a cozy sofa, a TV, and a dining table for relaxing evenings on the road. For added convenience, a full bathroom with a shower and toilet ensures you're always comfortable. Now, let's talk about the horse area. It's not just functional, it's designed with insulation, mats, hay racks, and water tanks, prioritizing the well-being and safety of your equine companions. Welcome to the world of custom van trailers, your ticket to an unforgettable and personalized camping adventure. With the custom van trailer, you have the freedom to create a camping experience that's as unique as you are. It can be crafted to any size or layout, meticulously designed to match your specific desires. Equipped with a wide range of amenities, from a functional kitchen to a cozy sleeping area, it ensures you have all the comforts of home on the road. Perfect for those seeking a personalized camping journey, the custom van trailer is also an excellent choice for budget-conscious travelers. It's a versatile and customizable solution for anyone looking to explore the great outdoors with a touch of individuality. The 2022 Coachman Sports Coach RD 402 TS, a Class A motorhome that seamlessly combines luxury with adventure. Standing at 41 feet with a height of 12.5 feet, it's ready to take you on unforgettable journeys. The Cummins ISB diesel engine, packing 360 horsepower, ensures a powerful and confident drive, complemented by an Allison 3000 MH 6-speed automatic transmission. Inside, the living area offers a cozy spot to unwind, complete with a sofa, TV, and dining table. With 2 full bathrooms featuring showers and toilets, comfort is never compromised. The fully equipped kitchen, including a stove and refrigerator, lets you whip up meals on the go. Additional amenities like a 50-inch LCD panel and heated seats add an extra layer of luxury. With a 360 horsepower diesel engine, solar panels, and a backup generator, this motorhome is equipped for adventure. Fuel tanks hold 100 gallons, and ample water storage ensures extended travels. Introducing the Ford F750 Dunkel Luxury Hauler 4X4, a powerhouse of adventure. This Class A motorhome, standing at 31.8 feet, is engineered for the boldest journeys. Beneath the hood roars a Ford 6, 7L Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine harmonized with a torque-shift 6-speed automatic transmission. Your ticket to rugged terrains. Seating up to 6, it's perfect for camaraderie on the road. The kitchen, equipped with stove, refrigerator, and microwave, caters to culinary desires. The living room offers respite with a plush sofa, TV, and dining space. A full bathroom ensures comfort wherever you roam. Impressive specs like 18 inches of ground clearance and the ability to tackle water obstacles up to 36 inches deep define its adventurous spirit. With 270 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque, this motorhome is built to conquer any terrain. Boasting a 4-ton payload capacity, it's tailored for thrill seekers. '28 Movable Roots Trailer, a home for those who cherish simplicity and seek the freedom of mobility. Ideal for both minimalists and those craving ample space. Inside, discover a fully equipped kitchen with stove, refrigerator, and microwave. Unwind in the spacious living area, complete with a sofa, TV, and dining space. The bathroom offers complete amenities, featuring a shower and toilet. Here's what sets it apart: a loft bedroom, an inviting L-shaped kitchen, and a roomy shower area with a window. Ample built-in closets and storage drawers offer added convenience, plus the option to create a study space. With its modern design, LED lighting, and natural wood accents, it's a blend of functionality and style. Starting at $130,000, the '28 Movable Roots Trailer promises comfort, flexibility, and a taste of luxury. Golden Sky 57 square meters JB Homes, a sanctuary for nature enthusiasts who crave both adventure and comfort. Measuring 43 feet in length, 13.3 feet in width, and 8.2 feet in height, this home on wheels weighs 16 tons, designed to accommodate up to 4 individuals. The kitchen is equipped with a stove, refrigerator, and microwave, while the living room offers a plush sofa, TV, and dining space. Step into the bathroom for a refreshing shower or utilize the toilet facilities. A spacious terrace beckons you outdoors, offering a cozy seating area for relaxation. But that's not all. Inside, discover 2 bedrooms, a kitchenette-equipped living room, a bathroom, a hallway, and a terrace for endless enjoyment. Experience supreme comfort with polyurethane insulation and underfloor heating. Large windows frame breathtaking vistas, immersing you in nature's beauty. Skydancer Cabrio, a motorhome designed to bring you closer to the great outdoors. Picture this: a convertible roof that opens at the touch of a button, allowing you to revel in nature's beauty even while parked. It's the epitome of outdoor luxury and convenience. Measuring 23 feet in length, 7.2 feet in width, and 9.8 feet in height, this motorhome weighs in at 7,500 pounds, providing ample space for up to 4 occupants. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen with a stove, refrigerator, and microwave. A spacious living room featuring a sofa, TV, and dining area, as well as a complete bathroom with a shower and toilet. The Skydancer Cabrio is the choice of those who refuse to compromise on comfort while immersing themselves in the outdoors. It's also perfect for those who need a generous amount of space for their travels. Thank you for watching this video about the most luxurious and impressive motorhomes on the market. Whether you're looking for a rugged off-road beast or a palatial home on wheels, there's a motorhome out there that's perfect for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content.